beat of the tick of the tuck of my clock, of the flip and the flop of my flip-flops is the one of this song. The beat of my feet when I walk at the beat, impaired by the hammock that I rock, is the one of this song. The beat of this song is the beat of my heart, and the beat of my heart beats so hard for a brand new.
Good morning. It is about 10 o'clock. We're hanging out. Where are we going today, guys? What are we going to do today? What are we doing today?
Rainforest Cafe.
What's wrong?
Huh?
Going to Rainforest Cafe.
That's what we're doing? I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so. No, we're gonna go try something. It's like the world's best peaches or something. Right, babe? What are we doing? World's best peaches?
Lincoln, it's over there. Tap help him. Or actually,
Shen.
turn it off for a second.
Oh, nice butt. Nice butt. We're gonna have to edit that. What are we gonna go see,
That's
babe?
why he's not allowed to have the camera.
Cafe.
World's best peaches?
There is peaches that are from Georgia that are supposed to be the best peaches, and they have a tour and they go all over it.
The
So we're
peaches
gonna
in
go.
the world? Best peaches in the world, or just best
I
peaches?
don't know. Anyway, it's called the Peach Truck.
It's called
So
the
you
Peach
can order
Truck.
them if you don't live local.
Yeah, so we are gonna go see the Peach Truck today, which I'm going to say are the best peaches in the world because everybody at work has been talking about them, and so we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go to Nashville and check it out. So, we're going to the Peach Truck, so check them out. Hey. And then what do you guys want to do after the Peach Truck?
Rainforest Cafe.
So we might go to the Rainforest Cafe as well. What? That is cool popcorn, man. Now let's look for the peaches first. Yeah. Look at these. Look at these strawberries. Yeah. We're just checking it all out. Looks good, huh? It looks good. Ooh, here we are. Look, we are at the Peach Truck. I think we should ask for a free sample first. What do you think? Grace, these are supposed to be the best peaches, sis. No. Look at this. So we gotta ask this guy if these are the best peaches in the world. Sis, what do they got there?
Huh?
What do they got? What does that jar say?
Thank you very much. Hi.
Okay, is this special, the jam and that? Is that what it is?
Yes, ma'am, that is
Okay,
correct.
I will take one of those.
Are these the best peaches in the world?
They are the best peaches in
In the world.
the world. They're
All
the
right.
best peaches in the world. And you said the special? Is that
Yes,
correct?
sir, please.
Right.
We're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see if these are the best peaches. Sis. Trinity, what do you think? You like it? Huh? I like that hat. No worries, you're fine. Ooh. Hey, Shan, I'm gonna get some iced coffee.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Hey, so is this coffee, is this made with nitrogen?
Two of them have nitrogen pumped through it, so it gives it a creamy texture. So,
What do you think is the best one to get? Your opinion.
it depends what you like. If you like black coffee, I would say the dark roast nitro. If you like something kind of sweet, I would say the dark roast with honey.
I'm gonna get the dark roast with honey.
Yes.
This is sweet. What do you think? It is coffee. Let's.
Anything else for you?
That should be good. Thank you.
Okay, we just left the farmer's market. We've got these awesome blackberries. They're amazing. Addie didn't really like them.
You don't like the blackberries?
And we got, I'll have to get in a minute. We got peach jam and we got our bag of peaches. So should we try one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. It's dirty. They're not even washed.
I think there was a bug on that.
Organic. Bugs are part of organic.
Are they good? Is it good?
It is really good. It's like amazing because normally peaches are like,
Let me try.
when they're not ripe, they're crunchy. And they're like, this one is kind of crunchy. No, take a bite of that one.
Okay.
Kind of crunchy, but it is still really sweet. They are really good.
Really? You think it's the best in the world?
Oh no, I need another bite. Addie took it from me. Okay, give your dad it. What do you think?
I'm also tired. I'm also tired.
It is really, really good.
It is really good.
I want more.
Really
I'm
good.
gonna have
So the peach truck, look them up. You can order them online too. If you are not from here.
Tennessee.
What's in there, Emmeline? Fishies.
Hi, Anthony.
Yeah, babe.
Let's do.
Choo-choo. I've got one, babe. What? Oh, Dory is in there, yes. Oh, I see her. There she is. You're right. There is Dory. From Nemo, yes. You were right. Emmeline, here's your favorite. Come on, come on. Look it, there's your favorite. What is it? What is it? There's your elephant. Storming. It's storming inside the Rainforest Cafe, yeah? Oh, here's elephants in back of us. What you think, Trent? Scared a little bit. He usually cries. You like it this time? Yeah, is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting used to it.
That is bigger.
That one is bigger?
Can you help?
Yes, hold on. Emmeline, can you see your elephants over here? They're over on this side. Ooh, your favorite. Show me dance, baby. You dance again. No.
Get your feet up, babe. Stop.
Addie's doing a scavenger hunt. She's having to find all these things inside the restaurant. Tracy the tree.
What's that?
I don't know. We may have to ask the waitress. Which one is Tracy the tree? Maybe it's that big old tree right there. I don't know. I don't know. There's lots of trees in this place. How do we know which tree is Tracy? What else you got? Iggy the iguana. Do you see an iguana anywhere? Iguana. We've seen iguanas. Do you see it? Where is it? Where? Where?
Over there.
Look at all this good food. Tab, what did you get? Pizza? Let's see it. Dude, looks yummy. Sissy, what did you get? Sketty. Addie, what did you get? Trenty, what'd you get? Sketty. It looks yummy. Look at mommy, she's blowing it.
You guys, sorry about that.
No, you're fine. Can we get some ketchup, please? Of course. Thanks. Yeah, we see it, Tab. Look what mama got. That looks good.
Emlyn, show me what you got. Elephant. Oh, we have that. That came on the drinks last time. It's way cheaper to do it this way. Look. $2.99 each. Let's see.
Oops, sorry about that, man.
Grab a bag, pick your favorite characters, try to not keep them safe. Take them home to play. Grab a bag.
Trenty.
Can I do it?
8 characters. Oh, 8 for $10.
Buying this money, do it?
You're buying that. Where's your money? You need 75 cents, Emily.
I got money. You have money from me.
I have money from you? What do you mean I have money from you? It's a bag. Look, that's what I was trying to figure out. But look, it's a bag.
Mommy, look at that.
That is a cute steak, sis.
I told Addie that water, she put her hand in that water, and I was like, oh, that's from the toilets.
The water and what? That thing over there? From the rain. Did Daddy tell you that's toilet water? It is. It's true. A finger wing.
Tracy, look at those little stuffed animals.
Babe, why would you show her that? That thing's 75 cents. Sloths are my fave.
Mommy, can we get a bag? Are these free?
No, they're not for free. Nothing's for free. Nothing is for free. Addie, what on earth are you guys doing? Poor Tracy the tree is getting abused. Alright, I think you should let go of Tracy. I don't think she likes that. I don't think she likes that. So the funny thing is the store has this little Rainforest Cafe like thing out here. It has tons of elephant stuff. It's Emily's favorite. When we were looking for her birthday last month, we couldn't find elephant stuff anywhere. Now we know where to go. Rainforest Cafe. We are back from Nashville, back from the Rainforest Cafe, and finding peaches, and then we were in the mall forever. Today was Trenton's first day like in public without a diaper on, so we spent most of our day taking him potty. So anyway, it took us a very long time to get out of the mall because we had to use the restroom like 800 times. And anyway, we are home and the kids are probably gonna freeze their bums off because they're on the water slide right now and it's not that hot outside. So anyway, we're gonna hang out, make some dinner, and let the kids play in the water for a bit. Tap, don't get me wet, bud. Holding the camera. And it is just not that hot out right now, so no thank you. Whoa, Trent! They're going so fast. Is there ants on there? Stinking things. Whoa! Look at Trenty. Trenty! Look at him in his goggles. He's cracking me up. Trenty! Like he's in a pool. Look at me. Let me see you real quick. Let me see your goggles. Look at those goggles. Those is cool, man. Very cool. Oh, they're going so fast. Is he okay? Oh, he's not okay. He's not okay. Oh, bud. Did it hurt his neck? Oh, honey. Yeah, it hasn't been filled enough and he's going down the slide anyway. Yeah. So look, he got an owie. Let me see your owie, man. It's a big one. Look up. Look at mama. Hold on. Hold on, tough. No, we're not right there. Yeah, he's got a scratch. The pool's got to fill up a little more. We just turned the water on.
Hi.
To Addie, sit down all the way. Poor thing. That's a big old owie. Gotta get those goggles back on. That's important.
And then, watch out!
Huh? You alright? You alright? Too tight?
Yeah.
Here, have Jay help you. Let's not put them on. Look, they're making rings around you. Just go get in. You don't need them. You're not in a pool. You don't need them. He wants them loosened.
They're too tight.
Trenty poo. Okay, so it is getting late and we had a very long day exploring in Nashville. So many fun things with the beach truck and the Rainforest Cafe and wandering around the mall and then playing outside in the water. So anyways, we're beat. So we're gonna end for tonight, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. That will make sure that you'll be able to see all of our videos that come up and all of our updates, and we appreciate it. Please share with anyone you think would be interested and blessed by our videos. Thank you so much. Bye.